Jai Swaminarayan friends. Here we discuss the chapter continue quadratic equation, and here we continue the problem sum. Here we write the question. First we read this question. If a cyclist travels at a speed 2 km per hour more than, that means increase your speed, right? 2 km per hour more than his usual speed, he reaches the destination 2 hours earlier. Suppose you are cyclist, our speed is 5 km per hour. Now I will reach the destination at 10 hours. 10 hours timing, right? Now our speed of the cycle is increased, suppose 7 km per hour. So now we reach our destination is suppose 8 hours timing. So naturally, if his speed increase, destination timing decrease. Naturally. Now compare these two quantity, here 10 and here 8 equal. So otherwise plus 2 here. The next possibility minus 2 here. Both are same. I will explain in last video lecture already. Clear? Okay. 2 hours earlier. If the destination is 35 km away, what is the usual speed of the cyclist? Last sentence is, what is the usual speed of the cyclist? So first we suppose the usual speed of the cyclist is x kilometer per hour. That means 1 hour equal to x kilometer. What's the meaning of this one? X kilometer per hour. That means 1 hour equal to your distance is x kilometer. Right? Hear this. If the destination is 35 kilometer hour. If the destination is 35 kilometer away. Now here, look, x kilometer per hour. That means x kilometer equal to 1 hour. X kilometer equal to 1 hour. Therefore, 35 kilometer equal to question mark. Clear? Because our destination is 35 kilometer. If your speed x kilometer, otherwise increase, otherwise decrease, anyone. But our destination is 35 kilometer away from this origin or from this starting point. So here 35 upon x, kilometer cancel. Here our unit is timing. Is that clear? Okay. Now cyclist travel at a speed 2 km per hour more than his usual speed. Now new speed is x plus 2 kilometer per hour, because our unit is kilometer per hour, right? So now new speed is x plus 2 kilometer per hour, but our destination is fixed 35 kilometer per hour. Again write here step, x plus 2 kilometer equal to 1 hour. Therefore 35 kilometer equal to question mark. So here 35 upon x plus 2 kilometer cancel hour. Is that clear? Unit, look here, unit, both are same. Now compare 35 upon x. First write this step, 35 upon x plus 2. In last video lecture we already discussed, if here plus sign, then here plus sign. If here minus sign, then we write here minus sign. Okay? Now look your timing. He reaches the destination 2 hours. So here plus 2. Clear? Here denominator x and here denominator x plus 2. Denominator greater, that is this answer is smaller. So both are, if both are equal, then here plus sign, otherwise this here minus sign. Okay. Now solve this equation. Now first of all, 35 upon x minus 35 upon x plus 2 equal to 2. Then 35 is the common, right? So 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 2. Clear? 35 in denominator, but not 2 is not a factor of 35. So we do not write here denominator as it is. Now 35. Now we take LCM. X into x plus 2. Okay. Here minus sign. Now cross multiplication. X plus 2. And here x. Always cancel. That means our sum is right. Clear? Now here remaining term we write here. 35 2 upon open the bracket x square plus 2x equal to 2. Is that clear? Now 35 2s are 70 and here this multiplication 70 equal to 2 into x square plus 2x. Okay, again 2 in division, so 70 divided by 2, 35 equal to x square plus 2x. Now 35 in right side, so our quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. Now factorize 35, last term will be minus, last term is negative. Okay, so we subtract the two factor. 35 7 5s are 7 minus 5 2. 7 is the bigger, so we get positive sign. So x plus 7 and x minus 7 5s are equal to 0. Now splitting individual 0, x plus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 7. This is not possible because negative split is not possible. So x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 5. So our final answer, this statement, last statement right here. The usual speed of the cycle stays 5 km per hour. The usual speed of the cycle is 5 km per hour. You can put here and verify also here. Put here and verify also. 35 divided by 5, answer 7. LHS answer is 7. Here put 5 plus 2 7, 35 divided by 7, 7 5s are 5 plus 2 7. LHS and RHS answer are equal. Is that clear? Do you understood? This is our most important sum. Okay, this type of. Okay. We write here second question. A car takes 1 hour less. A car takes 1 hour less to cover a distance of 200 km. A car total distance covered 200 km. If its speed is increased by 10 km per hour. If your car's speed is increased, so total timing will be smaller, right? If your car speed is decreased, then total timing increase. Clear? Okay, then its usual speed. What is the usual speed of the car? Again we suppose, let x kilometer per hour be the usual speed of a car. Is that clear? Let x kilometer per hour be the usual speed of the car. Is that clear? Okay. Now here total distance is 200 km. Total distance covered 200 km. So write here step. X kilometer equal to 1 hour. Therefore 200 kilometer equal to question mark. So 200 upon x kilometer cancel. Hour is the possible, right? Hour is the unit. Okay. Now speed is increased. If its speed is increased by 10 km per hour. Now new speed of the car. X plus 10 km per hour. Okay. Again write here x plus 10 kilometer equal to 1 hour. Again our total destination 200 kilometer away from origin, 200 kilometer question mark. So 200 upon x plus 10 hour. Kilometer cancel, hour is unit. Right? Now compare these two results. Every time same method. 200 upon x plus 10. So here plus sign, so we write here plus sign. Now look your timing, because this unit, the LHS unit is hour, here also hour, and here also hour. Right? Unit are always same in any one equation. 1 hour. So we write here 1, because here plus sign, so we write here plus. Otherwise you can here subtract. Clear? Now continue same method. 200 upon x. 200 upon x plus 10 equal to 1. Now 200 is the common. So 1 upon x plus 10 equal to 1. So again 200 is as it is. Now cross multiplication. X into x plus 10. Minus sign is here. X plus 10 and here x equal to 1. X cut. 200 into 10. 2000, and in denominator open the bracket x square plus 10x equal to 1. Now here in multiplication, so 2000 equal to x square plus 10x. Now 2000 is subtract in right side. So our quadratic equation x square plus 10x minus 200 equal to 0. Is that clear? Now here in this equation, try it yourself. Factorize 200 and solve this equation. Negative answer is not possible. Only positive answer is the possible. Is that clear? We write here third question. The difference of the speed. The difference of the speed of a faster car and a slower car. Faster car and slower car is 20 km per hour. Suppose my car is faster car, its speed is 80 km per hour, and your car is slower car, its speed is 60 km per hour. Right? So this difference is 20 km per hour. Okay. If the slower car takes 1 hour more than the faster car to travel a distance, total distance covered 400 km. So find the speed of both the car. You can suppose faster car or slower car, any one car speed of the hour. Speed. Suppose we take here slower car speed 60 km per hour. So faster car speed is 60 plus 20. Because the difference of the speed of a faster car and slower car, we have already done it by the ages sum, father and son. Remember it? The difference between the sum of the age of father and son is 80 years. So suppose father's age is 60, so son's age is 20, right? Because here 80 minus 60. Exactly same here. Suppose you can here, suppose 60 km per hour is the slower car speed. So faster car is 60 plus 20. Otherwise you can suppose here 80 km per hour is the faster car speed. So here we write here 80 minus 20. Clear? So you can suppose any one speed of the car. Clear? Suppose we write here slower car speed. Let x km per hour be the speed of the x km per hour with the speed of the slower car. Okay? X km per hour with the speed of the slower car. Therefore, the speed of the faster car is x plus 20 km per hour. Look your unit, 20 km per hour. That means difference of these two cars is 20, right? Otherwise you can hear x is the faster car, so smaller car is x minus 20. Faster car you can suppose x, so slower car is x minus 20. Okay? Now our destination is 400 km/h. 400 kilometer. So write two steps here, slower car and faster car. Suppose here x kilometer equal to 1 hour, therefore 400 kilometer equal to question mark. So 400 upon x, kilometer cancel, hour is the unit. This is your slower car step. Now faster car, again x plus 20 kilometer equal to 1 hour, then 400 kilometer equal to question mark. So faster car speed x 400 upon x plus 20 hour. And now compare these two results. We write here 400 upon x, 400 upon x plus 2. Here plus sign, so we write here plus. The difference here 1 hour timing is 1 hour. Not look more, less, not necessary, but here our condition is this one. If here plus sign, so we write here plus. If we write here negative, so write negative. Okay, timing is 1 hour. Is that clear? Now 400 upon x minus 400 upon x plus 2 equal to 1. So 400 is the common. So 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 1. Now cross multiplication. X into x plus 2. Negative sign as it is. Cross multiplication. X plus 2 minus x. X is the card. That is our final answer. That means our sum is right. Equal to 1. 400 2s are 800. And denominator open the bracket. X square plus 2x equal to 1. Now in multiplication 800 equal to x square plus 2x. Okay. Now 800 in left side. Right side. So our quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 800 equal to 0. We write right or wrong? Wrong. Here x plus 20 and we write here x plus 2. So this is our silly mistake. Alright. So here 0, 0, 0. Okay. So here 0. Cross multiplication. So here 8000 and here 20x. Here 8000 and here 20x. Is that clear? Do you understood? So we write our quadratic equation is x square plus 20x minus 8000 equal to 0. Now splitting the factor 8000 and subtract of this two factor is 20. Very easy. 10 8s are 80, right? And 10 minus 8 2. 10 8s are, and put here 0, put here 0. So 100 minus 80 20. 100 into 80 8000. Is that clear? Then x plus 100 and x minus 80 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 100 kilometer, not possible your answer, and x equal to 80. So here suppose x kilometer per hour be the speed of the slower car. So 80 kilometer per hour be the speed of our slower car, and faster car, and the speed of the faster car is 80 plus 20, 100 kilometer per hour. So these two statement finally write here. And the slower cars of the speed 80 kilometer per hour and faster car of speed is 100 kilometer per hour. Is that clear? Okay. Thank you very much.